Hello and welcome everyone to this new video on NetBackup, and the topic for today is the difference between NetBackup optimized duplication and auto image replication. I find that a lot of people they have a confusion between these two concepts, and today hopefully I'll be able to explain what is the difference between the two and under what case scenario you can use one over the other. Just a heads up, this is a level 3 session, so my suggestion, if you're not familiar with the NetBackup domain, the master, the media server concept, or even the NetBackup pure disk or dedupe drive, my suggestion is to you, please watch my previous videos in which I have explained in detail about these concepts and how you can utilize that in the environment. So let's get started, and let me just start with the optimized duplication within NetBackup. So just to give you an idea, let's say for example I have uh, let's say I have two locations. I have one in Toronto. So this is my Toronto location. So this is the Toronto location that I have, and then I have the New York location, and I have also a couple of clients over here too. So let me just do that. This is the New York location, and this is my media server in the New York location. This is my media server in the Toronto location. This is my NetBackup master server. This is the NetBackup media server, and this is the NetBackup media server in the New York location. Now the good thing about the optimized duplication is that because I have one of the requirement is that I need to have a dedupe drive. So this is a dedupe drive or pure disk, whatever you want to call it, on both the location. So if I want to have a redundant copy, so say for example I want to make sure that I have one extra copy. So after I have done the backup of these clients, so these are the clients, now these are the machine that I'm trying to protect. So these are the clients and both the location. So after I do the backup of these particular machine, what I can do is that I can move this, and over the WAN I can transfer the data from one location to another. And because these are only dedupe drive at both the location, only the change blocks or only the data which has been changed only will be transferred. So in case something happens to this location, I have a redundant copy in the New York location. So it's a great idea to have multiple copies in different location by using the NetBackup optimized duplication technology. But what happens, say for example, if your master server goes down? So if you know that master server is the brain behind the whole NetBackup domain, this is the one which controls the backup and recovery job. This is the one which gives command to the NetBackup media server and controls everything. So in case your NetBackup master server goes down, then in case you need to restore your clients or restore the data, then there's going to be a lag. You need to rebuild the master server. So you understand there's going to be a lag between the job you want to bring back or the clients that you want to restore. Now this is where the NetBackup auto image replication comes into play. So let me just go to the NetBackup auto image replication, and for this also I'll use the same case scenario. So say I have a master server, I have a media server, and I have a couple of clients, and then I also have a master server, I have a media server, and also have a couple of clients here too. Okay, and this is a Toronto location, and this is the New York location. And both the location, I have this D2 drive which is connected to the NetBackup media server. So this is my master. This is the master in New York. This is the media server. This is the second media server in New York location. So one difference you can see straight away between the auto image replication. So we are talking about now NetBackup auto image replication, that you need two master server. So when you have two master server, it means that you have two NetBackup domain. So they can work independently. You can work them together, which I'm going to show you how you can use it within auto image replication. But the biggest difference between optimized duplication and auto image replication within NetBackup is that auto image replication has two NetBackup domain. It means you have two master server. In optimized duplication, you will only have one master server. Now the advantage of this one is that auto image replication can be bidirectional, unidirectional. You can have a hub and spoke, so different options you can use uh, between the two NetBackup domain. Now the good thing about this is that after you have done the backup of these clients, so these are the clients at both the location, right? With auto image replication, you can move the data from one site to other site over the WAN by using auto image replication. And because, as I said again, these are the D2 drive at both locations, so only the change blocks will be transferred, the data. But the another important thing over here is that when you use the auto image replication, all the catalogs and everything is also transferred from the Toronto location to the New York location. So say for example, in case your master server in the Toronto location goes down. So like optimized duplication, as I said, they're gonna be lag, and in case you need to restore your clients and everything, then they're gonna be some time your system's gonna be down. But because with the auto image replication, you have moved all the catalogs, which includes all the information about the clients, the disk on which the data is backed up, everything that you need to be restored, everything is moved from one location to another, and same thing. So as I said, these can be unidirectional or bidirectional. So in case the master server in the Toronto location goes down, by using the master server, NetBackup master server in the New York location, you can bring this clients back. So you can see that you will save downtime. So in case you need to restore files, you need to restore the machines and everything, you can use this master server. It will give the command, and then you can bring back all these clients from the New York location, or vice versa. You can do it from the Toronto location. So again, to reiterate, the difference between optimized duplication and the NetBackup auto image replication is that in NetBackup optimized duplication, you only have one NetBackup domain. In NetBackup auto image replication, you have two NetBackup domain. It means you have two master server. And other difference is that in case your master server in X site goes down within NetBackup auto image replication, you can still restore your clients by using the master server from the other location. It's a great solution to make sure that your business is up and running. Hopefully this session was useful in explaining what is the difference between the two case scenario and how you can utilize. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.